Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Bluetooth radio. Bluetooth is a fantastic short-range wireless technology that lets your devices communicate without cables. It's perfect for streaming music or podcasts from your phone to a compatible radio. We'll cover the simple steps to get your devices talking, ensuring you can enjoy your audio seamlessly. Just make sure both your radio and the device you want to connect are turned on and ready to go. Pairing your devices is usually a straightforward process. First, turn on Bluetooth on both your mobile device and your radio. Next, put your radio into its pairing or discoverable mode. This often involves pressing a dedicated button. Then, on your phone or tablet, search for new Bluetooth devices. Once your radio's name appears, select it. You might be asked for a 4-digit PIN, commonly 0000, to complete the connection. Sometimes you might encounter a hiccup when connecting. If your devices aren't pairing, first ensure they are within 10 meters or about 33 feet of each other. Physical obstructions like walls can weaken the signal. Try restarting both your radio and your mobile device. Also, check that both devices have sufficient battery power. If problems continue, try forgetting the device in your Bluetooth settings and then repairing it from scratch. To ensure the best experience, keep your device's software and your radio's firmware updated. Be aware that other 2.4 GHz devices, like Wi-Fi routers, can cause interference. A clear line of sight between your radio and device helps maintain a strong signal. For older radios without built-in Bluetooth, a Bluetooth FM transmitter can be a great solution. Newer Bluetooth versions, like 5.0, also provide enhanced range and connection quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.